Dry tree bark and bent wire scrap combine to create soft, glowing, boutique-style lamp. The materials are essentially free, but the finished piece feels elegant, natural, and genuinely high-end. With a little careful shaping, some protective sealing, and a warm LED glow, forest fall floor scrap become sellable art. This project is proof that beauty and profit can absolutely come from the simplest of the materials. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today we are turning natural bark into warm artistic lamp shade and using old wire to create a structure that holds everything together. The beauty of this project is the contrast. Rough natural bark meets clean modern metal. And when the light shines through the natural texture, the result can be absolutely stunning. So let's explore how simple materials can become elegant home decor with handmade character and real selling potential. Let's start with the right barking. The first step is finding the suitable fallen bark. Look for pieces that are naturally dry, reasonably clean, and still strong enough to handle. Brick and other natural attractive bark can work beautifully because of their light color and interesting texture. Don't worry if every piece looks different. These natural differences are what makes the handmade lamps special. Always make sure the material is elegant and responsible sourced and avoid stepping back from leaving trace. Look for interesting natural patterns. Before building anything, take a closer look at the bark. Some species have beautiful lines, others have peeling edge or unusual texture. This natural pattern can become part of the lamp's design. Instead of hiding imperfections, think about how they can become a feature. Clean the bark carefully. Fallen barks can contain dirt, insects, and loosened materials. Clean it gently without destroying its natural space. Remove anything that is loosened or unstable. The goal is to make the bark clean while keeping its natural beauty. Protect the bark. Dried bark can be fragile. A suitable protective finish can help strengthen the surface and reduce damage. Choose a product that is appropriate for the material and allow it to dry completely. This is especially important because the finished piece will become part of a home interior. Give old wire a new purpose. Now let's look at the other main material, scrap wire. Old steel wire may look useless when it is sitting in a workshop corner, but with some careful shaping, it can become the hidden framework of the lamp. This is where the project starts to come together. Create a simple curved shape. You don't need complicated shapes. Start with simple curves. Think about the shape of a flower, a leaf, a basket, or even a natural tree branch. Organic shapes work especially well with bark because the two materials feel connected. Build a stable frame. The wire needs to create a stable structure for the bark. Take your time getting the overall shape right. A strong frame will make the finished lamp look cleaner and more professional. Remember, beautiful design starts with a structure that feels solid and balanced. Combine bark with the wire. Now comes the exciting part. Start positioning the bark around the wire frame. You can overlap pieces to create interesting layers or leave small gaps between them. The gaps can allow the light to escape and create beautiful pattern across the nearby walls. Create the lighting become part of the design. Lighting is not just about making a room brighter, it can create atmosphere. When lighting passes through a natural bark, it can reveal texture, shadows, and that are not visible during the day. That's what can make this type of lamp feel much more luxurious. Choose LED lights. For this type of project, the heat LED lighting is a sensible choice. LED can provide beautiful warm light while producing much less heat than traditional bulbs. Keep the lighting component properly instead and away from materials that could become overheated. If you are building a main powered lamp, use properly rated components and follow local electrical safety requirements. Create a warm glowing, warm color light works especially well with natural materials. It can bring out the golden and brown tone of the bark. The result is a softer atmosphere that feels calm and inviting. This makes the lamp ideal for bedroom, living room, reading corner, and relaxing space. Make small table lamps. You don't have to start with a large project. Small table lamp can become a great first design. Use a compact wire frame and small amount of bark. The finished piece can work beautifully on a bedside table, shelves, or console. Create a hanging pendant light. Once you are comfortable with the idea, you can make a large hanging design. A suspended bark shape can become a dramatic centerpiece. The natural materials can open a modern room and add warmth. Always ensure the hanging hardware is properly rated and securely installed. Make a cluster of small lamps. Instead of making one large lamp, try create several small ones. Hang them at slightly different heights. Use similar bark and wire shape so they feel like a collection. This can create a beautiful designer-inspired lighting arrangement. Are you enjoying the ideas so far? We would love to know what you think and which countryside you are watching us from. Tell us in the comments. Your ideas and feedback inspire us to create even more beautiful content for you. And if you are enjoying the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more creative ideas. Thanks for being part of the Decor Idea channel. Mix bark with reclaimed wood. Bark does not have to work alone. A reclaimed wood base can complement it beautifully. The combination of natural bark, aged wood, and dark metal can create a strong rustic luxury look. It's a great way to bring several reclaimed materials together. Add a metal accent. A little visible metal can make the design feel more modern. Instead of hiding every part of the wire structure, consider leaving the selected sections visible. The contrast between rough bark and smooth metal can become part of the visual appeal. Keep the design simple. One mistake may make it adding too many details. Remember, the bark is already interesting, the wire is already interesting, the lighting is already interesting. Let them three elements work together. Simple design can often look more expensive and complicated design. Create luxury look. Luxury does not always come from expensive materials. It often comes from careful design and attention to the detail. Clean edge, balanced shape, smooth wire curves, thoughtful placement of the bark, a beautiful finish. These small details can make a handmade lamp feel much more refined. Give waste a second life. One of the most exciting parts of this project is where the materials come from. Fallen bark that might otherwise be ignored can become a design feature. Old wire that might end up as scrap can become the hidden structure. This is the beauty of creative upcycling. You are not just making something, you are changing the way you see discarded materials. Think about selling. Handmade lighting can also become an interesting product category. Every lamp can have its own natural pattern. That means each piece can feel unique. Instead of selling a mass-produced product, you are offering something made by hand. That story can be valuable to customers who appreciate natural materials and sustainable design. Create a different size. One design can become several products: small lamps for bedroom, medium lamps for living room, large statement piece for entryway or commercial shapes space. Different sizes allow you to reach different customers. Create a matching collections. Don't stop with one lamp. You could create matching tabletops, lamp, hanging lamps, wall lights, and decorative piece. Keep the same natural bark and wire style throughout the collection. This can make your work feel like a recognizable brand. Show the transformation. If you are selling your work online, show where the materials started. Photograph the fallen bark. Show the older wire. Then show the finished lamp glowing in a beautiful room. The transformation becomes part of the story. Don't undervalue handmade work. A handmade product is not valued simply because the raw materials was cheap. You are selling the design, craftsmanship, time, creativity, finishing, and uniqueness. Calculate your costs carefully and price your work realistically. The goal is not to make something cheap. The goal is to turn simple materials into something people genuinely value. Why this design is so interesting? The natural materials are becoming increasingly popular in modern interior. People want homes that feel warm, peaceful, and connected to nature. Bark lamp fits beautifully into that trend. They combine organic texture, handmade craftsmanship, sustainable thinking, and modern lighting in one product. Create your own signature design. Don't feel like you have to copy something else. Lamp. Experiment with different bark shape. Try different wire curve. Change the size. Experiment with light pattern. Over time, you may develop a style that people recognize as your own. The bigger lesson, this project teaches us something important about creativity. You don't always need expensive material to make something impressive. Sometimes the best idea can come from materials that other people overlook. A piece of fallen bark, a length old wire, a simple light, and a creative idea can become something extraordinary in the end. So, the next time you see fallen bark or a pile of old wire, you don't be so quick to throw it away. Look at this shape, texture, possibilities. Because with thoughtful design, ordinary discarded material can become beautiful piece of functional art. From a simple piece of bark to a glowing luxury lamp, the transformation is all about creativity, patience, and attention to detail. And the best part, every finished piece can have its own natural character. If you are enjoying this project, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification for more creativity, woodworking, upcycling projects, handmade furniture, sustainable crafts, and profitable DIY ideas. And tell us in the comments, would you make a lamp from natural bark and scrap wire? Thanks for watching, keep creating, and remember, don't overlook discarded materials. Your next beautiful creation may already be hidden in the scrap pile.